Now we are at HomeGoods. I don't need anything, but it can always be a good day at HomeGoods. Obviously, I had to check out the dog section for toys for my therapist, Luna, and my other girl, Maisie. I ended up getting them 2 new blankets and some toys. I'm really loving this coastal bathroom vibe. I'm almost leaning towards this for my new bathroom at my new house. And I love the vases, and obviously can't forget the lamps. Oh my goodness, I love a big, chunky, colorful lamp. And now we are walking up to my favorite section, which is the art section. Honestly, this is probably the best collection I've seen at HomeGoods so far. And this is a cute chair that I thought about getting for my niece, but I think she might be too small still. And surprisingly, I left HomeGoods with only the things I got for my girl. So that's my therapist, Luna, and my other girl, Maisie. You guys haven't met her yet, but she's a big, beautiful red bone. So I made it home, and I'm going to take off my makeup, take off my jewelry, maybe change into something for warmer weather because it definitely got hotter while I was out, and I'm gonna go for a walk. I am feeling pretty good after everything I did today, and I'm glad I did what I did, but I still have some feelings going on inside, so I'm